We like to think of the Brink system as being the complete kit. I'm talking about both the unit, meaning that it's coming with a lot of included features, intelligent preheater, bypass, as well as the distribution system. So we do provide a full distribution system that helps reduce installer errors and also is meant for construction like this. So all of our ducts fit into a 2x4 cavity wall, our diffuser boxes as well. To help with adoption, we provide designs for projects, and then from there, take off full kit of parts. That way, you know when the materials are delivered on site that you have everything that you need.
For us, buying the complete kit of parts and receiving the support from 475 that came along with that made this process very easy for us. Everything arrives in one palletized delivery. We have everything we need for distribution all the way through for finish, our registers, our wall caps outside, and then the added features inside the unit, like you mentioned, the preheater and integrated bypass. So all of those features and the technical support that we received really made it a no-brainer for us on this project.